Hi, this is Madison from Finale Inventory, and today we are going to specifically talk about supplier bills and accounts payable. So let's go into our purchase screen, and I already have a purchase order here created for us to test out. So here is our purchase order details. So I have my apples and my bananas. I've ordered 100 of each of them, and here is my prices respectively. And Finale is showing me my landed costs and my landed cost per unit as well. So we are taking into account that shipping fee I have there below the line. And now it is time to bill our purchase order. So I'm going to click that bill button. Finale is going to pop up my little window, ask me to enter a reference number if I have it, and make sure our bill has the same supplier as our purchase order. So I'm going to click this bill purchase order button. That will automatically create that bill. And if you see here, Finale is going to create a little flag for you. We're going to let you know that your purchase has been fully received and fully billed. So now I am going to go to our integration screen. So Finale syncs to QuickBooks automatically every 5 minutes. But if there is something that you want synced sooner, you can always come to your integration screen and trigger it yourself. So I'm going to run that task now. Perfect. So once we get that status okay, I'm going to jump back to my QuickBooks tab and do a refresh here as well. Now that I've ran my QuickBooks integration, I can see now that I have a bill now to pay in QuickBooks. And if we click into it, and now we can see on our bill here that the amounts here match the amounts that we saw in Finale. So we'll go back to our purchase order in Finale, and we can see that the landed cost per unit is syncing to QuickBooks exactly as we saw there. Once your bill is in QuickBooks, you are able to mark it paid and pay the bill in QuickBooks. And Finale has that bi-directional syncing with QuickBooks Online that we are able to then update the bill on our system as well. And I will show you that right now. So let's mark this bill as paid. And I'm going to save and close. And I am going to jump back to Finale. I'm going to go to my integration screen again. I'm going to run task now. Like I said before, this will run by itself every 5 minutes. But if you want it to go sooner than that, you can always trigger it. Okay, our task is done. So now I'm going to jump back to our purchase order and click into that order ID. And now I'm going to navigate to that bill tab again. So if we see here, we have our line items. Our subtotal is $350 with a $50 shipping charge. The total is $400. And because I marked it paid in QuickBooks, Finale is showing that it is paid on our side as well. We also have a green little checkbox in the top right-hand corner. So now that our bill is paid and our purchase order has been fully received, we can change it to complete, and that is the end of the PO process in Finale. So now we can jump back to QuickBooks and look at our report. So I just generated this general ledger report for today only, and we can scroll down and see that the bill payment is reducing the accounts payable, and we can see that the inventory account is increasing. So not only will you be able to see in QuickBooks on that general ledger report what accounts have been affected, but you can also come into Finale, navigate to our accounting header, and then to our general ledger. And we can scroll all the way down to the bottom to get the most recent data. And we can see down here that our purchase was received, and this increased our inventory account. We can also filter by accounts payable and see that $400 value from our bill and our purchase order. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about the QuickBooks Online integration, please feel free to email us at service@finaleinventory.com.